Okay, just wanted to see, I think this is an air compressor. A very, very tiny air compressor of some type. I haven't powered it up yet, but it's got a little dryer thing or something like that. I don't know. Don't know shit about it. So it's got no shaft. Hey! Sorry, dogs are fighting. Huge power box there, whatever. I have to figure out how to set up some power. And then the laser, which I don't know the hell it is, but it says laser. So I'm gonna look it up with the company, and it's got this cool little gauge thing. I don't know what the hell that does, but I'm kind of liking this scrapping. Made some money. Didn't even pull out the biggest piece yet. Made some money even though I had to rent a truck. That sucked. But we're off to the races so far. Alright? Alright.